Hi honeybees! Today I'm going to be doing my very first Halloween home tour. I was so excited to share this with you guys. I decorated my kitchen, family room, and front entry. The whole home is not decorated in Halloween. Like I said, this is my first year, so I'm sure over the years we will collect more and more goodies to display around the house. I do have a lot more of a farmhouse country vibe to the home, so I hope you guys enjoy this tour. So here in our front entry, it's pretty simplistic. I might add to it eventually, but right now this is what it looks like. And I put some of this caution tape around the table. I have this cauldron that Mama Bee actually found at Walmart years ago and gave it to me. We'll be filling that with candy for the trick-or-treaters eventually. And then this cool like haunted house, I think it's from Home Goods. I put some little tea lights that just light up on their own. You don't have to light them. They're battery operated. And then I have this spider that I put on here. That's a little clip, spider clip. And he has a sparkly bum. That's orange. I thought that was cute. And then the creepy sparkly black trees are from the Target dollar spot. I believe they were $5 each. The mat on the bottom here, don't know if you can tell, but there's some sequin detail to it so it sparkles. It looks like spider webs is from Home Goods. And then these little cute spiders, little candle holders, are from Pier 1, and they've got a little silver sparkle to them. I put some little tea lights that have bats on them on the inside there. So here is an overview. Since the fall tour, we did get new sofas, so I wanted to share that with you guys as well if you haven't seen on the vlog. And here in the little sofas here, I have the little plaid pumpkins that I got at the dollar spot, so those have changed. Our sofas and chairs are from American Discount Furniture. Same details over here. I've got the plaid pumpkin from TJ Maxx and a Rae Dunn candle that says blessed. And as you can see, not everything is Halloween. I've just added a few Halloween touches over here, but it's mostly fall. So we've got this cute little guy up in the corner. He is from Michael's, and then his pair is over here on the other side. This one says trick or treat. I think they look very country and cute. And then on the next shelf down, I have this sign that has the galvanized metal in the background and a creepy pumpkin. It says haunted farmhouse. And same details over here from fall decor. Then on the other side, we have this sign that says, it's all just a bunch of hocus pocus. If you followed me for a while, you know Hocus Pocus is my favorite fall and Halloween time movie. So those are all of the Halloween little touches in our living room. I almost forgot, I actually changed out the little bowl that was on our little side table here, and these pumpkins are from the dollar spot at Target, and so is the web bowl. This is like a spider web bowl. Let me take one of these out so you can see. It does come in rose gold and black, and then I still have my pumpkin spice is my favorite season little sign that I made. Moving into the kitchen area, don't mind the water jug out right there. Kristen didn't put it away. But not much has changed on the tablescape here, except I took down all the pumpkins that were lining here. I might put some little jack-o'-lantern like orange pumpkins across here just to match what's going on the hutch here. But for now, it's just more simplistic. Like I told you guys earlier in the front entryway, besides the hutch, because the hutch is pretty dramatic, dramatically Halloween, the touches of Halloween throughout the house are pretty simplistic. So let's go ahead and move over to the hutch here. As a quick overview. Sorry if you can hear my laundry going in the background, but this first shelf here, we have this little stack of books, magic potions, charms, and poisons. And this was purchased at Michael's. The mesh that I have laid down on the shelf is from the dollar store. And then we have this mug from Rae Dunn, Lazy Bones. And the skeleton hand that's holding it is from Michael's. Then I have some spider webs adorning one of my cake stands, and the Trick or Treat little bowls. They're actually dog bowls that we like to use these for like popcorn and stuff like that, but I have a bunch of little mini pumpkins up in there. This one, I still have not gotten the decal. I did not find the spooky canister from Rae Dunn this year, but I do plan to put a decal on there that says spooky. And on each of my smaller canisters, I put this black and white twine around the top, just to give it a little more added detail. As you can see, it is on the canisters on the top here as well. Moving on over, we have Shelly. Do you guys remember her? From last year. She's got her diamond ring on like I do, her engagement ring. And then this is like a pancake batter pour. It says Trick or Treat on it with some skeletons, little skeletons dancing, and I think it's so cute. This wreath that it's sitting in is from the dollar spot, but it's $3 and it's like a sparkly black if you can't tell. Then I have this tray from Rae Dunn that says family style, and it has a family of mummies. Got that as a birthday gift. And then I have this little witch over here. Mama B got me this witch. I think it's so cute. It's from TJ Maxx. She's got the little spider on her hat. I crossed her legs because I just thought she was so stinking cute. Okay. Next row, we have some more Rae Dunn canisters. I really love this design. I usually just like the long letter designs, but I really love the skeletons dancing on these, so I was lucky to find all three this year. And then I did have I put some bats on in the background of this level. And that's all the way across. The Trick or Treat sign is from the dollar spot at Target. Another mug, this is orange interior as well from Rae Dunn. The witch hat that I have on top is from Joann's. And these pumpkins, I have two of them here with the spiders. Creepy pumpkins are from Joann's. And this little guy sitting over here is from Joann's. I have another Rae Dunn canister that says Happy Halloween that I got for my birthday as well. And then this guy, I don't know, we need to give him a name. But he is from Kirkland Home. There's one very similar to him at Michael's as well. And then the last row here, the little ghost is from Home Goods. And then I have a Rae Dunn bowl that says Witch's Brew. That little skeleton hand inside of there. And there's also one on top of the canister over there. Those are from Joann's. And then the cake stand says Boo on it. You obviously can't see it because it's underneath with some spider webs all on it. Happy Halloween, Rae Dunn as well. The little ghost with some candy in his mouth. This is from the Target dollar spot. And then this is one of my favorite things from my Halloween decor. The vampire Rae Dunn mug. And then this vampire little guy who reminds me a lot of the movie Coraline because of the button eyes. But I'm obsessed with anything vampire, and I found him at Home Goods. Now this little flag garland I got at Rodworks. I just think it's so fun and totally makes this area. This is kind of hard to film up top here, but the pumpkins are from Target dollar spot except for the ones that have the stripe design. Those are from Rodworks. I have some black floral arrangement also from the Target dollar spot. Fun jars, they're also from the dollar spot from Target, and they light up. I'll have to light them up so you guys can see them. The first one says Magic Spells, the middle one says Witch's Brew, and the last one to the right says 100% Pure Moonshine. Then we have this little ghost, and I do plan to put something in his mouth because it's definitely meant for candy or something like that, but I liked him up there. And a few more pumpkins up there stacked. Update, I changed the top of the hutch. after finding this amazing sign. It's actually double-sided. On the other side is a Christmas sign, so I thought this was just so perfect for the top of the hutch. Now I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see what it says. It says, "Welcome to Halloween Town." Do you just love it? And then surprises around every corner, and then some bats and some cobwebs in the corner. The frame itself is like a very distressed, almost gray black with some white, and it's just so country and perfect. I absolutely love it. So then I just reorganized the pumpkins on each side, and then I did leave the floral, the black floral arrangement in the background. And I think this just looks so much more put together, a little less messy and cluttered on the top. And I know there's a lot going on in the hutch as well, but I just think it looks, I still really like it. I think it looks really good. But the top, it just, yeah, that really made the look here. So the little ghost that was on top of here, I'm going to show you guys where I moved him to. So over here in the corner of our family room, that's where I put Mr. Ghost. And he's got a bunch of caramel apple lollipops in his mouth. By the way, my favorite Halloween treat, and Mama Bee's as well, are these caramel apple suckers, and they only come out during Halloween time. So there you have it. That's this little corner now. I think that looks even cuter with him over here. Then over here on our mug rack, I have some fall and Halloween themed mugs. All of these ones down below have the orange interior, so they definitely go with the vibe, or our Halloween vibe. And then I have this sign that I got at Michael's that says, "I put a spell on you and now you're mine," and has some glitter details. I did add this ribbon that has some like spider detail. And then some more mugs up here. And the Garland is from Michael's, and it's just like, you could totally make this yourself even with different ribbons just tied onto a string. I think it's super cute though. Alright, on into the kitchen. Really the only things in the kitchen that I've changed are the tiered stand, my 3-tier stand here. I really like how this turned out. Let me zoom in. So at the very top here we have some potions that say bat wings and crushed wing and what does this one say? Poisons. Those are from Michael's. And then the little bat clips that are glittery, those are from the Dollar Tree. The "I put a spell on you" little sign, I believe is from Joann's. And then as well as this is actually an ornament, this little skull, that's from Joann's as well. I have some glittery pumpkins. These are from the Dollar Tree as well that I put in a Ray Dunn Toil and Trouble mug. And then I've got this little guy that you guys saw in my fall decor. He's from Rodworks. And these 2 little salt and pepper shakers are from Joann's, and they're little witches' hats. And then on the other side, I do like to decorate both sides since it's kind of in a central place. So I have a little pumpkin. And then I have this little sign that says "Eat, drink, and be scary." I got that at the dollar spot with some other little miscellaneous pumpkins. And then these pumpkins were from the dollar spot last year. Another Ray Dunn mug that says "Boo" with a few little stir sticks that have little pumpkins on them, and they're glittery, from the dollar spot at Target. And then I have this True Blood drink, which I think is so cool. I've saved it from years past when True Blood, the show, was around. So then over here I did keep this the same, however I put spider webs all over this. I think it looks so cool and scary. A little extra detail. This over here is the same with the same pumpkin garland that I got at Home Goods. Then I have this Hocus Pocus crock from Ray Dunn, and I just adorned it with a little bit of this cute ribbon that I found at Michael's that has little candy corns all over it. Thought that was really, really cute. I did also switch out our little tea towels. So the one here on the fridge says our family is a little baddie. These were found at the dollar spot at Target. And then I have these here on our oven that say boo to you. And these were found at Home Goods. Then over here in our little coffee station, I have this mug that I got at Disney, I believe 2 years ago when I first went at Halloween time. Over here in our butler's pantry, I did change out this little sign to say pumpkin kisses and Halloween wishes. And that is a little sticker that I found at Michael's. It's like a puffy, three-dimensional pumpkin. It's so cute. And then I've got the candy corn still over here. And then the only other difference here is this Ray Dunn bowl with all the skeletons around it. And then I have another smaller bowl within here to give it a little bit more dimension and color with a bunch of candy. Has like a spiderweb pattern on the inside. And then over here on this little stand I have some napkins that say cheers witches. And then these little shot glasses that say pick your poison.